Then Lakshmana, seeing Bharata with great people following, he for a while thought, okay, now Rama is all alone in the forest. He has come with army, with the strength of army. If he kills Rama, even after 14 years, he need not give back the kingdom to Rama. That's why Lakshmana decided that Bharata is coming to kill us. And now he gets on the top of the tree and sees the whole army and reports that now I will take my all shastras and astras and kill Bharata on the same spot. And he might have done also. Then Ramachandra somehow, Rama's reading is different and he makes him cool. From 100 to 118 is a great drama, great dialogue on dharma. We should not miss it. It should alone be the content of a course. Kindly read yourself. We will discuss later. If you read Ramayana without weeping in between at least half a dozen times, then something is wrong with your heart. That is the effect of that poet. Nobody is an exception. One has to, tears will drop down from the eyes. Even if you stop them, you cannot stop them. There are some. And if you know Sanskrit, it is more so. You cannot even progress reading the text. You have to understand Ramayana in Sanskrit, not through English. English half has gone. People respect to Sanskrit. Who are the people to be respected? These are all a kind of lessons for all of us. Our course is what we can learn from it. Kindly note, every idea here is to be learned to the extent possible for us and to be acted upon to the extent possible to our given context. Sakachit Brahmano Vidwan Dharmanityo Mahadyutihi Ikshvakunam Upadhyaya Yathavat Pujyate. Are you properly respecting and showing kind of reverence to our Upadhyaya, Kula Purohita, that is Vasishtha, who is not my Kula Upadhyaya, not of Dasarathas, not of Raghus, not of Dilipas. Ever since Ikshvaku times, he is our Upadhyaya. Don't ask me now historically how it is possible. Ikshvakunam Upadhyaya. For he is an Upadhyaya. Vasishtha is Upadhyaya, is the priest for consultation with regard to do's and don'ts from Ikshvaku times onwards to our times. He has to be respected, he has to be cared, he has to be shown proper reverence. Are you doing it or ignoring him? And also he is not a small guy. He is a dharma nitya. He is an embodiment of dharma. Everybody stopped Rama from going. Kindly note, there is only one soul in Ayodhya who tried to stop Rama, that is Vasishtha. Not that Vasishtha doesn't love him. He is his own student. He fed him, he taught him, he is closer to him, rather as close or much more closer to him than to Dasharatha. But at the same time, because he is not a dharmic personality, he knows what is to be done. Only thing, such a Vasishtha also, it's excellent that Ayodhya Kanda, that sargas are to be studied. He openly criticizes and condemns in bitterest words Kaikeyi when she offers the Chira Vastra to Sita Mata. He never says anything when he did to Rama, but he could not tolerate when Sita is taking away all her avharanas and wearing Vanavasochita clothes, the clothes befitting for Vanavasa. Vasishtha also got moved there. Therefore, afterwards, Dasharatha asks Sumantra to get all the treasure from his treasure, all the avharanas from the treasure, and asks Sita to wear all of them and proceed. As long as he sees her, he cannot allow his daughter-in-law to go in the other way. So it's beautiful. Valmiki pays such a minute attention to see masterpiece in the world. I do not know how good and how great it is, but I do not know the details of Iliad. There is only one epic poem of the age, plus or minus, Iliad, but I don't think Iliad has given a personality to the world like Rama or like Sita, like Dasharatha, like Bharata, like Shatrughna, like Lakshmana. So it is a world heritage. Ramayana is only world heritage, not heritage of you and me. Sakachit Brahmano Vidwan, he is a Brahmana. By mere being Brahmana, he is worshipable. But plus Vidwan, not only Vidwan Dharma Nityaha, he is also very Dharmika and Mahadyutihi, not over and above all of these, he is a Brahmarshi on account of his tapasya, that Brahmavarchasa is seen in his face, ever glowing. And to our great good fortune, he is our Upadhyaya Vasishtha. Tata, my boy, are you extending all the respects as Dasharatha was extending, as I was extending? It exhibits the kind of Vatsalya towards Bharata of Ramachandra, because see, you should understand, Bharata was not mentally prepared to be king of the Ayodhya, because Ayodhya seat is always given to Rama. None has expected that Bharata will be one day the king of Ayodhya. He himself did not anticipate it. You see, if a great position is given to a CEO of a great company is given to you when you are not even anticipating it, you will be stumbling. You will not be knowing what to do, what not to do. Therefore, in the first occasion when he sees Bharata, Rama makes him trained also in one sense, take care of all these things, you are too young. At least Rama was preparing himself for Yavarajya Abhisheka, knowingly or unknowingly, because it is a Kshatriya Kula Dharma that it goes to the Jyeshtaputra. But that is not the case with Bharata. These are all the delicacies of this giving long lecture.